Clean up your grass.
I watch and I do this. No, Mom. Pelican.
Hello, Mikay. Kumusta na sa'yo? Oh, yeah. That's a good idea. Anong balita sa'yo, Mikay? Okay, I'll sit here.
Oh, no.
May bago kang baby, Mikay. Ilan taon na yung baby mo? Oh, you got two. Ayos lang. May ilang taon na yung baby mo? Oh, 4 years old. Kala ko, babe, kapapanganak mo lang. Kala ko may baby ka. Oh, be careful.
I do that thing.
Again.
Ready, set.
Kala ko kaka-baby, kapapanganak mo lang. Wow, wow. Tell Daddy, exercise. Dad, you want exercise? No, ask Daddy if he wants to exercise. See, he's sitting down. Oo, mahirap na nga eh. Mahirap. Yeah, bata ka pa naman eh. Kung baka kaya mo pa. You're gonna hurt. Bata ka pa naman, kaya pa yan. Basta ano, maalagaan lang eh, no? Oh. Ay, oo, masakit nga. Sinabi mo. Oo. Sa kawawa yung katawan ng babae minsan. Basta may anak ka na, importante yan. Chuchu. Cha-cha. Basta may nagkaanak ka na, yun ang importante. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo. Oo. Ay, isa lang ba baby mo? Kala ko tatlo or something. Jelana, what are you doing? Trampoline park now. Hi, what's your name?
Winnie.
Kulit. How old are you?
10.
You're not 10. How old are you?
10.
I'm a reporter. What's your name?
What's your name? My name is Winnie.
Kulit.
My name is Winnie.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
Oh, look at that fly. Oh, there's the airplane.
Airplane.
Oh, wow, that's too low. Airplane too low. Oh, they're there.